Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to convert Ethereum to USDT on Binance? Today I am going to show you how to convert Ethereum to USDT on Binance. Let's get started. First of all, open your Binance app and log into your account. Then tap on Trade at the bottom. Then select Convert for a quick and easy exchange. Choose Ethereum as the currency you want to convert and USDT as the currency you want to receive. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to convert. Then tap Preview Conversion or Trade to check the exchange rate. If everything looks good, tap Convert or increase Ethereum to complete the transaction instantly. And that's it. You have successfully converted Ethereum to USDT on Binance. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.